Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the gray suit dove in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematics Festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The actual dove is a bird from this event, from the festival event, and this is the gray suit dove. Okay, and if you want to capture this gray suited dove, I would like to recommend you to go to the forest, specifically go to the deer tower. And for the weather condition, basically you can catch or capture this bird in any weather. Okay, and now I'm at the deer tower. Okay, this is the location. You can track this NPC guys, Patty, and you can explore this area to find the gray suit dove right here, or actually you can join the actor dove event, and when you join the event it will increase your possibility to meet the gray suit dove. And during the event, you can find the gray suit dove around the event area, not always at the deer forest. Oops, this is not the gray suit dove. But I found the gray suit dove here, guys. And to make you easier in finding the gray suit dove, I would like to recommend you to use the other bird whistle. And yeah, just explore this area. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the gray suit dove in Heartopia Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.